Hi friends! Here are some general tips for daily eating habits that may support weight loss in women. Tip number 1. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Tip number 2. Use smaller plates, bowls, and utensils to help control portion sizes. Tip number 3. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and pay attention to your body's hunger and fullness signals. Tip number 4. Avoid or limit foods and beverages high in added sugars, refined grains, and unhealthy fats. Tip 5. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to stay hydrated and help control appetite. And final tip is: plan and prepare meals ahead of time to help avoid impulse eating and make healthier choices. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.